Blake with SwissWatchExpo here. One of the more elegant and impressive pieces I've seen, especially for a classic ladies watch. This is a Patek Philippe cocktail watch, and really, not much I could say about it that you can't already see. This one has got diamonds front to back, full diamond bezel, full pave-set on the dial, and we also have sapphire hour markers here at your 4 points, at your 4 edges here, just to so you'll still be able to tell what time it is, even in spite of all these diamonds. Of course, it is full factory setting, all up and down this bracelet. Every other link is beautiful Patek factory diamonds. I hope you can get that detail. And it's everything you want. Pretty large looking for a cocktail watch, considering the height of the bezel on this. But again, still a very small traditional piece. And with enough diamonds is going to stun anyone at whatever party you're lucky enough to be wearing this at. So get this on your wrist. It's an impressive piece, and it's available now at SwissWatchExpo.com.